हेलो दोस्तों, राम राम सारियानो। आज हम इडियम्स एंड फ्राजेज करेंगे। एस पी बक्सी बुक की। इडियम्स एंड फ्राजेज, द कमांड ऑफ idiometric expression in any language is a prerequisite for expressive writing and comprehension. Phrasal verb, idiometric objectives and noun phrases and idiomatic pairs of nouns, adjectives and adverbs comprise such a vast portion of idiomatic expressions that it is nearly impossible to deal with them comprehensively in such a short space. However, this chapter contains the most important usages that are indispensable for any competitive examination. Students would do well to consult the dictionary for further improvement in this field. First, at once wits and yani perplexed. For example, Sohan was at his wits end to find that his younger brother has taken poison. Next, at one's fingertips, at one's fingertips yani complete knowledge. For example, all the rules of synthesis are at his fingertips. Next, at the spur of the moment yani without a delay. For example, in an interview we must reply at the spur of the moment. Next, all in all yani most important. For example, as he was the only son, as he was the only son in a big family, he was all in his home. Next, at close quarters yani close examinations. For example, many of my friends proved selfish at close quarters. Next, apple pie order yani in a perfect order. For example, on the eve of inspection, everything was kept in apple pie order. Next, above board yani honest and straightforward. For example, he is known for his above board conduct. Next, above all yani before everything else. For example, above all, he is blunt and daredevil. Next, as fit as a fiddle yani strong and healthy. For example, he was recovered from illness and how uh, uh, he was recovered from illness and now he is as fit as a fiddle. Next, at a random yani aimlessly. For example, the militants fired at a random, killing a lot of innocent persons. Next, at a luge and yani unoccupied or idle. For example, nowadays he is at a luge and because he has wound up his business. Next, at loggerheads yani to be at stripe. For example, the partners of our firm are at loggerheads these days. Next, at odds yani in a dispute. For example, the numbers of the group were at odds over the selection procedure. Next, an apple of a discord yani cause of a quarrel. For example, ancestral property is an apple of a discord between two sisters. Next, at cross purposes yani have conflicting intentions. For example, how can there be peace in their family when husband and wife are at cross purposes? Next, after one's own heart yani to one's liking. For example, when Deepa met a man after her own heart, she got married to him. Next, at the bottom of yani to be mainly responsible for. For example, it was found later that Sanu was at the bottom of the whole trouble. Next, at a loss yani to be unable to decide. For example, I am at a loss to now what to do. Next, eight daggers drawn yani to have bitter enmity. For example, the quarrel between the two brothers has grown more bitter now and they are at daggers drawn. Next, at large yani abscond or to keep unchained. For example, people keep their dogs at large at night. Next, at sea any applied to a person confused. For example, my sister is quite at sea in maths. Maths. She cannot solve a single problem. Next, add fuel to the flame of fire. Yani add fuel to the flame or fire yani to make matter worse. For example, the attempt to suppress the agitation of the strikes only added fuel to the flame. Next, at sixes and sevens yani in a disorder. For example, there was a robbery in our neighborhood last night, and when I entered the house to inquire, everything was at sixes and sevens. Next, assume errors, yani to pretend superiority. For example, the rich are in the habit of assuming errors in the presence of their poor relations. Next, Argus id yani careful or observant. For example, as a politician, he is Argus eyed and never overlooks even a small matter. Next, eight stones through any very close. For example, my friend's house is eight stones through from mine. Next, by hook or by crook, yani by one means or another. For example, he is determined to obtain first division in his class by hook or by crook. Next, beard the broom top yani to beard the man sock up. For example, the poor have to bear the brunt of increasing prices. Next, bail the cat yani to take a first step at a personal risk. For example, many people can boost up their bravery, but very few can bail the cat. For example, bid defines any to ignore. For example, Rohan bad defines to his father's wish of becoming a doctor and instead become an engineer. Next, blow one's trumpet yani to praise oneself. For example, no one likes to talk to those who are always blowing their own trumpet. Next, break the news yani to give bad news. For example, he broke the news of her husband's death very gently so as to lessen the intensity of the shock. Next, burn a hole in one's pocket yani many money spent quickly. For example, money given to a spendthrift only burns a hole in his pocket. Next, bury the hatchet yani to make peace. For example, India and Pakistan must bury the hatchet to bring about peace to the region. Next, beside oneself yani to feel excessively. For example, due to the accidental death of his wife, he was beside himself with grief. Next, bad blood yani bitter relations. For example, the Roids have created bad bloods between the two communities in India. Next, black and blue any to beat mercilessly. For example, the thief was beaten black and blue by the police. Next, beat about the bush any to talk in a roundabout manner. For example, we should always come to the point and should not beat about the bush. Next, beat the air yani to make useless efforts. For example, some speakers merely beat the air in a speech while preaching. Build castles in the air yani to make visionary schemes. For example, many people who live in dreams build castles in the air and do not succeed in life. Next, break the ice yani to speak first after prolonged silence. For example, in the meeting, Rajesh broke the ice and suggested the plan to solve the problem. Next, bring to book yani to punish and to call to account. For example, the manager was brought to book for his negligence. Next, breathe once last yani to die. For example, he breathed his last in the prime of his life. Next, backstayers influence any by unfair means. For example, these days many persons are given good posts through backstayers influence. Next, bird's eye view and concise view. For example, we had a bird's eye view of the whole fair from the top of a giant wheel. Next, bolt from the blue any sudden or unexpected shock. For example, the news of her husband's death in the air crash came to her as a bolt from the blue. For example, next, burn once boat yani a point of no return. For example, we had burned our boats by declaring that we were not going to sign CTBT. Next, by any by the way. For example, by what is your age? Next, be up to any to be equal to. For example, he is up to all uh, uh, he is up to all the tricks of the trade to grind his oven x x. Next, bated breath yani in anxiety or expectancy. For example, the fate of the match hung in a balance and everybody waited for the result with bated breath. Next, bandy words yani to wrangle or to argue. For example, obedient children don't bandy words with their parents when they are advised. Next, be in one's bonnet yani to be fussy. For example, she seems to have a bee in her bonnet because she is always finding faults with others. Next, bite the dust yani to be defeated. For example, Pakistan had to bite the dust in the final of the World Cup. Next, blue stocking. blue stocking yani a educated but pedantic lady. For example, nobody likes to mix with her because she is a blue stocking. Next, bookworm yani a person in the habit of poring over books. For example, he has no time for social activities because he is a bookworm. Next, bring down the house yani receive applause. For example, though it was his maiden speech, he brought down the house because of his oratory skill. Next, bro beat yani to bully. For example, the president of the college union always tries to bro beat the students opposed to him. Next, bad egg yani worthless. For example, he comes of a noble family, but he himself is a bad egg. Next, beside the mark yani irrelevant. For example, nobody agreed with him because his arguments were beside the mark. Next, burn one's fingers yani to get into trouble. For example, those who interfere in the affairs of others often burn their fingers. Next, brown study yani reverie or daydream. For example, he could not follow the significance of my offer. He was in a brown study. Next, bank on yani depend on or count on. For example, the rich always bank on money to get things done. Next, blaze the trail yani to start a movement. For example, Surindernath Banerjee blazed the trail of Indian national movement. Next, bull in a China shop yani one who causes damage. For example, most of the leaders of the freedom struggle have proved bulls in a China shop. Next, no, bull in a China shop yani one who causes damage. For example, most of the leaders of the freedom struggle have proved bulls in a China shop. Next, by the rule of thumb, yani, according to practical experience, for example, in older times, business was run by the rule of thumb. Next, big draw, any a huge attraction. For example, the match between India and Pakistan is always a big draw. Next, broken reed. Broken reed any support that failed. For example, when he needed help, his friend proved a broken reed. Next, by the skin of the teeth, yani narrowly. For example, he escaped death in the accident by the skin of the teeth. Next, bone of contention yani cause of quarrel. For example, since India got independence, Kashmir problem has been a bone of contention between India and Pakistan. Next, bit या piece of one's mind yani to scold. For example, my father wrote to my brother giving a piece of his mind about his insulting conduct. Next, born with silver spoon yani to be born in a rich family. For example, my friend does not have to worry about spending any amount of money as she is born with a silver spoon in her mouth. Next, burn a candle at both ends yani squander. For example, after the death of his father, he is burning candle at both ends. Next, by fits and starts yani irregularly. For example, my if we study by fits and starts, we can never be successful in our exams. Next, by dint of yani by force of. For example, he achieved success in life by dint of hard work. Next, blow hot and cold yani to speak in favor and against at the same time. For example, do not trust those who blow hot and cold in the same breath. Next, by and by yani gradually. For example, he is recovering by and by after long illness. Next, blue blood yani aristocratic blood. For example, though my friend has blue blood, yet he conduct yet her conduct is very mean and vulgar. Next, carry methods with a high hand yani to deal with a person strictly. For example, the owner of the industry carried methods with a very high hand and expelled two workers who were caught doing mischief in the office. Next, clip one's wings yani, to weaken the power. For example, my elder sister is very ambitious, but my mother will surely clip her wings. Next, come home to any to understand. For example, Seema wanted to be a teacher in the college, but soon it came home to her that she was not fit for the job as she was only a graduate. Next, come to a standstill and come to a sudden stop. For example, when we were going to Missouri yesterday, our car came to a standstill right in the middle of the journey. Next, come up with flying colors yani, uh, to come out successfully. For example, the final football match was very crucial, but finally we won the came up with flying colors. Next, cross one's mind yani, to occur to oneself. For example, in the examination hall, it crossed my mind that I had left my pen outside the table. Next, cry for the moon yani to wish for something impossible. For example, the hope of winning the lottery amounting a lakhs of rupees in simply crying for the moon. Next, curry favor with yani win favor of somebody. For example, Nina gave a lot of costly presents to her science teacher to carry favor with him. Next, call a spade yani to speak plainly. For example, people often get angry when one calls a spade a spade. Next, carry the day yani to win a victory. For example, after initial setback, India carried the day in the test match. Next, cut a sorry figure yani to give a poor show. For example, the speaker cut a sorry figure in the meeting. Next, cry over spilt milk yani repent. Repent. For example, careless students often have to carry over split milk during the exams. Next, cut one's coat according to one's clothes yani, to to live within one's means. For example, a wise man always cuts his coat according to his clothes if he wants to be successful in his life. Next, call names yani to abuse. For example, Nita called me names, so she was severely punished by the teacher. Next, cur- curtain lecture yani reproof. A curtain lecture yani a reproof by wife to her husband. For example, my brother never pays any attention to his wife's curtain lecture and does what he thinks. Next, cheap of cheap of the old block yani resembling one's parents in habits. For example, my friend is quite helpful like her father. So she is a chip of the old block. Next, cave in, yani healed. For example, although our team fought bravely, yet had to cave in before the superior power play of the opposite team. Next, cloven hoop yani the evil intention. For example, the Chinese showed the cloven hoop in 1962. Next, cut throat yani tough. For example, it is very difficult for Indian industry to survive in the teeth of in survive in the teeth of international cut throat competition. Next, call in question any doubt. Call in question any doubt. For example, you should not call in question my honesty. Next, check by jowl yani close together. For example, in metropolitan cities, it is common that affluence and poverty exist check by jowl. Next, come to a pass any difficult situation. For example, the things have come to such a pretty pass that he is financially ruined. Next, close save any narrow escape. For example, as he was driving recklessly in a crowded street, he had a close save. Next, cut and dried yani ready-made form. For example, there is no cut and dried formula for success in life. Next, clinch the issue and decide the matter. For example, when he agreed to leave the house for good, it clinched the issue in favor of his wife. Next, carry one's point and win approval. For example, after heated discussion, he was able to carry his point. Next, checkered or checkered career yani full of ups and downs. For example, politicians have generally checkered career all along. Next, cut both ends yani argue in favor of both sides. For example, he is ambiguous because he always cuts both ends. Next, cock sure yani very sure and certain. For example, he he was he was so cocksure of his success that he applied for the job before the declaration of the result. Next, cock snook yani to show impudent contempt. For example, she is so proud of her wealth that she always cocks a snook at the acts of her husband. Next, chapter and words in a full detail or to give proof. For example, he has such a sharp memory that he can narrate the story chapter and verse. And cool one's heels to be kept waiting. For example, he had to cool his heels before he could meet the president of the party. Next, carrot and stick policy reward and punishment. For example, a successful businessman follows the carrot and stick policy towards his employees. Next, come in handy to be useful. For example, take some woolen clothes. They may come in handy in Simla. Next, dig a grave to tarnish or to destroy. For example, by taking side of the culprit, he dug the grave of his reputation. Next, draw the long bow exaggerate. For example, in calling him the best politician of the world, his followers draw the long bow. Next, die in harness die while working. For example, our principal died in a harness. Next, Dutch courage bravery under alcoholic influence. For example, drunkards often indulge in Dutch courage and boost up their imaginary qualities. Next, daredevil यानी fearless person. For example, only a daredevil can face the land mafia. Next, dead broke यानी penniless. For example, on account of reckless spending, he is dead broke these days. Next, down and out यानी poor and ruined. For example, after a slump in share market, he is down and out these days. Next, draconian law यानी extremely severe law. Uh, for example, during emergency in 1975, the government imposed draconian laws to subdue opposition. Next, die hard यानी persistent in struggle. For example, he is a die hard person and will not easily surrender. Next, days of reckoning यानी time to answer for one's actions. For example, you may commit a crime after crime, but days of reckoning are never far off. Next, down in the mouth यानी out of elements. For example, nowadays he is down in the mouth because he has suffered very loss in business. Next, a dog in the next, dog in the manager यानी a person who prevents others from enjoying what he himself cannot. For example, by disrupting parliament session in a congress is following a dog in the manger policy. Next, damp squib यानी complete failure. For example, the visit of our foreign minister to China proved a damp squib on border issue. Next, eat humble pie यानी to apologize. For example, in spite of his constant bragging, he lost the match and had to eat humble pie. Next, eat once words यानी take a statement back. For example, I warned my friend to be very careful in her speech, otherwise she would have to eat her own words. Next, and in smoke or and in fiasco any come to nothing. For example, he spoke a lot about his new film, but it all ended in smoke and it flopped on box office. Flopped on box office. Next, egg on yani to argue somebody. For example, the captain egged the players on to continue to play foul till the end of the match. Next, eke out. Eke out yani supplement income. For example, to eke out his income, he also works as a part-time accountant in the evening. Next, every dog has his day yani very every dog has his day and good fortune comes sooner or later. For example, don't be disappointed. It is truly said that every dog has his days. Next, ever and anon yani now and then or sometimes. For example, he visits his parents ever and anon. Next, an I was yani a pretense yani my friends promised to help me just proved an I was. Next, flesh and blood yani human nature. For example, people in some villages are so poor that their sufferings are more than a flesh and blood can endure. Next, fish in troubled waters and to take advantage of the trouble of others. For example, shrewd businessmen fish in troubled waters when there is scarcity of things. Next, follow suit यानी next follow suit यानी to act in a like manner. For example, if you do not obey your elders, your children will follow suit. Next, fall flat यानी to have no effect. For example, the minister's speech fell flat on the audience. Next, fight psyop यानी to attempt to avoid a thing or a person. For example, I generally fight psyop confronting my elder sister as she is in the habit of making sickening comments. Next, Fabian policy यानी policy of delaying decisions. For example, politicians generally follow a Fabian policy in order to keep everyone satisfied. Next, for no rhyme or reason यानी any reason whatsoever. For example, Seema did not appear for her final examinations for no rhyme or reason. Next, fight to the finish यानी fight to the end. For example, Indian Army has vowed to fight to the finish and turn every intruder out of Indian territory. Next, few and far between any very rare. For example, his visits to his home town are few and far between because of his expanding business. Next, flog a dead horse यानी to revive interest in old matters. For example, the rivals always flog a dead horse to insult their enemies. Next, fool's errand यानी useless undertaking. For example, his visit to the states to earn money proved to be a fool's errand. Next, fall off यानी to quarrel. For example, they were once bosom friends, but now they have fallen foul of each other. Next, fly off the handle यानी fly off the handle यानी to lose one's temper. For example, when his father questioned him about money, he flew off the handle. Next, French leave यानी to be absent without permission. For example, those who take French leave should not be pardoned. Next, fair and square यानी upright. For example, my father advised me to be fair and square in business dealings. Next, feather one's own nest यानी to provide first for oneself. For example, our leaders are busy feathering their own nests and have no concern for the poor. Next, from pillar to post यानी rush in all directions and suffer much harassment. For example, you may rush from pillar to post, but you stand no chance of getting what you want without a bribe. Next, foot the bill यानी bear expenses. For example, although he hosted the feast, his brother had to foot the bill. Next, fair weather friend यानी selfish friend. For example, a fair weather friend will never stand by you in difficulty. Next, place in the pen यानी sudden success. For example, the success of Indian cricket team is never constant and steady. It is generally a place in the pen. Next, fit to hold a candle to any match for or equal in quality. For example, he is the son of a famous writer, but he is not fit to hold a candle to his father. Next, the fourth state यानी the press. For example, the newspaper is regarded as the fourth estate of the state. Next, feather in one's cap यानी additional success. For example, his success in his MA exams has added a new feather in his cap. Next, fly in the face of yani to defy. For example, it is a disobedience on their part to fly in the face of the others of the principle. Next, gain ground yani to succeed slowly and steadily. For example, the belief in the abolition of a dowry system is gaining ground. Next, get off scot free and to escape without punishment. For example, a murderer can also very easily get off scot free for lack of evidence. Next, grease the palm yani to bribe. For example, nowadays if you want to get your work done, you will have to grease the palm of someone or the other. Next, gird up the loins yani to prepare for hard work. For example, Indians must gird up the loins to face any foreign attacks on their country. Next, go to the dogs any to be ruined. For example, the rich industrialist will go to the dogs because of his son's bad habits. Next, get oneself into a mess yani to drift into trouble. For example, due to sheer ignorance, Vijay seems to have got himself into a mess in his office. Next, give a wide berth yani to avoid. For example, we should always give a wide berth to all selfish and mean persons. Next, gentleman at large yani an unreliable person. For example, we must not believe in gentlemen at large. Next, good Samaritan any one who helps strangers. For example, he is a good Samaritan because he always comes to the help of the old and the children in difficulties. Next, give a good account of oneself yani, to act creditably. For example, as the eldest son of his family, he gave a good account of himself when calamity befell the family. Next, give the devil his due and give credit to a worthless person for his good qualities. For example, we should give the devil his due for his good qualities. Next, greenhorn yani unexperienced. For example, though a greenhorn in a political field, he appears to be a bright future. Next, give up the ghost yani pass away या die. For example, after long illness, he gave up the ghost last week. Next, go the whole hog yani to do something thoroughly. For example, you will have to go the whole hog to come out of this mess. Next, Next, get into a scrape yani awkward situation. For example, he got into a scrape when his wife refused to let him help his sister. Next, go broke yani become bankrupt. For example, as a result of heavy gambling, he had to go broke in the long run. Next, get into hot waters and get into trouble. For example, he got into hot waters by marrying a girl of another caste. Next, give currency and to make publicly known. For example, the government has refused to give currency to a number of scams. Next, great handy and expert. For example, he is a great hand at organizing social parties. Next, get down to brass tax yani to deal with the matter straight. For example, instead of wasting time in a discussion, please get down to brass tax task. Next, give one a long rope यानी to let someone commit a mistake. For example, he never gives his employees a long rope. Next, good turn यानी an act of kindness. For example, he did me a good turn by recommending me for the post of a vice president. Hold water यानी sound or tenable. For example, his statement will not hold water as it is not based on facts. Next, hang together यानी support one another. For example, the two statements delivered by the leader of the party do not hang together. Next, hope against hope यानी hope in spite of disappointment. For example, someone's case is very weak and everybody knows that finally he will lose, but he is still hoping against hope. Next, have an s have an x to grind यानी to have a selfish interest. For example, Rima is very selfish, but the way she is being polite with everyone gives the impression that she has an x to grind. Next, have the gift of the gab yani art of speaking. For example, Mina is not highly qualified, but she has the gift of the gab. Next, hit below the belt yani to strike unfairly. For example, we should always face the enemy boldly and never hit him below the belt. Next, hold one's tongue yani to keep quiet. For example, we should always hold our tongue before our elders. Next, Herculean task yani very difficult. For example, it is a Herculean task to root out corruption in India. Next, howl over the coals yani to take to task. For example, who she was hauled over the coals yani she was hauled over the coals by her parents for her misconduct. Next, have one's finger in everyone's pie yani to partake of something. For example, my best friend likes to have her finger in everyone's pie as she is in the habit of meddling with the affairs of others. Next, halcyon days any peaceful days. For example, the days when we spend in our school life are the halcyon days of our life. Next, have an iron will and a strong will. For example, if we have to live among the mean and selfish people, we must have an iron will. Next, hold out an olive branch and offer of peace. For example, the terrorists are not prepared to hold out an olive branch to the government of India. Next, hanky panky आणि jugglery. For example, none of this hanky panky tell me the truth. Next, have feet of clay and full of faults. For example, the CBI inquiry has revealed that many ministers have feet of clay. Next, heart and soul and devotedly. For example, he took a part in the annual function Heart and Soul. Next, hard and fast and strict. For example, no hard and fast rule is laid down about being regular in the college. Next, hang fire and remain unsolved. For example, Kashmir problem has been hanging fire for many years. Next, high and dry and a difficult situation. For example, he was left high and dry by his business partners. Next, hit the nail on the head yani to do the right thing at the right time. For example, he hit the nail of the head by resigning his job. Next, Hobson's choice yani no alternatively. For example, the employees in the private sector have options choice because they are forced to accept what they are ordered to do. Next, have too many irons in the fire and doing many things at a time. For example, he is fickle minded and has too many irons in the fire. Next, hold in abeyance yani postpone. For example, for lack of funds, the district administration has held the construction of a road in abeyance. Next, might and mighty yani nahi. Next, high and mighty and proud persons. For example, the high and mighty forget that everything in the world is transient. Next, hard-nosed attitude and aggressive. For example, I don't know why my teacher always has a hard-nosed attitude towards me. Next, hold in lease. Next, hold in a lease yani to restrain. For example, as a responsible leader of a party, you must hold criticism of party workers in a lease. Next, head and shoulders yani superior. For example, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee is head and shoulders above his predecessors. Next, hold a brief yani to defend someone. For example, it is very improper for parents to hold a brief for their children who are in the wrong. Next, whose money yani a bribe. For example, he managed to escape a punishment by paying whose money. Next, hold a bay yani to prevent enemy from coming. For example, Maharana Pratap could not hold the Mughal army at bay for long. Next, hit the jackpot yani unexpected success. For example, he hit the jackpot by investing in money in shares. Next, helter skelter yani here and there. For example, when the police arrived, the Reuters run helter skelter. Next, have a bruise with yani to have encounter. For example, our principal had a bruise with the vice chancellor over the appointment of a lecturer. Next, hornet's nest yani helter skelter yani here and there. For example, when the police arrived, the Reuters run helter skelter. Next, have a bruise with yani to have encounter. For example, our principal had a bruise with the vice chancellor over the appointment of a lecturer. Next, hornet's nest. Hornet's nest yani rage controversy. For example, the speaker stirred up hornet's nest by referring to impending changes in the rules. Next, hold somebody to ransom yani to demand concession by making someone captive. For example, it is a pity that a handful of militants are holding the nation to ransom. Next, hold next hall and corner yani secret. For example, I have come to know of how I have come to know of your hole and corner method of dealing with the people. Next, ill at ease yani uncomfortable. For example, a sudden नहीं a student is often ill at ease when he has to see the principal after he has done something wrong. Next, in a fix yani in a dilemma. For example, the whole police department is in a fix about the threatening letters written by the kidnappers. Next, in a fair way yani hopeful. For example, the doctor feels that a patient is in a fair way on to recovery. Next, in the good books of yani to be in favor with a person. For example, Sunita's brilliant success in her final examination has led her to be in the good books of her teachers. Next, in a tune and in a mood. For example, the teacher asked the students if they were in tune for study. Next, in the Lurch, yani to have a friend in a difficulty. For example, you must never leave your best friend in the Lurch. Next, ins and outs, yani secrets. For example, the servants are generally familiar with the ins and outs of the family. Next, in the blues and in dumps and depressed. For example, after his failure in the examination, he is in the blues these days. Next, in the red and suffer loss. For example, most of our public sector undertakings are in the red for lack of efficient administration. Next, in the limelight and prominent. For example, after being out of favor with the leader of the party, he is again in the limelight these days. Next, in the limelight, yani prominent. For example, after being out of favor with the leader of the party, he is again in the limelight these days. Next, in the teeth of yani in spite of a bitter opposition. For example, Hindu Code Bill was passed in the teeth of opposition by various organizations. Next, in a tight corner and in a difficult situation. For example, after losing in gambling heavily, he is in a tight corner. Next, in a cold blood and to do something deliberately. For example, the child was murdered in a cold blood. Next, in a doldrums and to be depressed. For example, after his failure in the examination, he is in a doldrums these days. Next, in the family way and pregnant. For example, she has been advised complete rest because she is in the family way. Next, ivory tower any imaginary world. For example, those who talk of non-violence as a useful tool in international politics live in ivory tower. Next, in the uh, dumps yani, in low spirit. For example, her visit cheered me up as I was in the dumps before her visit. Next, in a flutter yani excited. For example, my sister is in a flutter today because she is going for the interview. Next, jaundiced eye yani prejudice. For example, you must not evaluate the success of your rivals with a jaundiced eye. Next, keep body and soul together yani to maintain life. For example, these days because of rising prices, it is difficult to keep body and soul together. Next, keep at arm keep at an arm's length yani to keep at a distance. For example, selfish people should always be kept at an arm's length. Next, keep the wolf from the door yani to avoid starvation. For example, in India, millions of people struggle hard to keep the wolf from the door. Next, kith and kin yani blood relation. For example, if we have no love for our kith and kin, we cannot be expected to love humanity. Next, knit the brow yani to proven. For example, her mother-in-law always needs the brow at everything she does. Next, kick the bucket yani to die. For example, he kicked the bucket after long illness in the prime of his life. Next, keep up appearances yani to maintain outward slow. For example, keep up appearance yani to maintain outward show. For example, though he is in a financial crisis, he is able to keep up appearances. Next, keep one's fingers crossed yani to wait unexpected. नहीं keep one's fingers crossed yani to wait expectantly. For example, we had to keep our fingers crossed till the last ball was bowled. Next, keep the pot boiling yani earn hardly enough for living. For example, he is earning only to keep the pot boiling. Next, kick one's heels yani to waste time in waiting. For example, as the train was late, we had to kick our heels at the station. Next, keep abreast of yani not to fall behind. For example, it is very important for the young persons to keep abreast of political developments in the country. Next, abreast, keep abreast of yani not to fall behind. For example, it is very important for the young persons to keep abreast of political developments in the country. Next, lost in the clouds, yani confused. For, for example, my psychology teacher is often lost in the clouds as she sometimes is unable to explain the questions clearly. Next, lost ground yani fail to keep a position. For example, the belief in prophecies and horoscopes in is losing ground these days. Next, laugh in one's sleeve yani to laugh secretly. For example, the students laughed in their sleeves at the teacher's ignorance of the subject. Next, leave no stone unturned yani to make all possible efforts. For example, the minister assured the poor that he shall leave no stone unturned to uplift their condition. Next, leap in the dark yani to take a risk deliberately. For example, you must not leap in the dark by entering the business without experience. Next, look sharp yani to make a haste. For example, look sharp, the bus is moving. Next, let the cat out of the bag yani to disclose. For example, Sunita has at least no, Sunita has at last let the cat out of the bag by confessing that she had stolen her brother's money. Next, live in a fool's paradise and false hope. For example, my brother is living in a fool's paradise if he thinks that he can be a rich man without working hard. Next, allowances share yani large part. For example, generally the sons as compared to daughters have allowance share of their mother's affection. Next, lovage and pisage any material benefit. For example, most of the ministers are more concerned with the lovage and pisage of office than the service of men. Next, live wire any energetic. For example, India needs live wire political leaders who can put the country on the right track. Next, look next look a gift horse in the mouth yani criticize a gift. For example, one should not look a gift horse in the mouth because it is given out of love and regards. Next, loss one's head yani to be carried away. For example, one should not lose one's head even in such a victory. Next, long and short yani in brief. For example, the long and short of the principal's speech was that examination would be held on time. Next, Latin and Greek yani incomprehensible. For example, the speech of a literary persons in always Latin and Greek to illiterate persons. Next, last nail in the coffin and causing ruin. For example, Second World War proved to be a last nail in the coffin of British imperialism. Next, lead up the garden path and to cheat. For example, the traders lead the credulous customers up the garden path by assuring them of warranty. Next, leap and bounds any rapidly. For example, in comparison to India, China has progressed by leaps and bounds in every field. Next, last straw any the final trial of patience. For example, the Rowlatt Act was the last straw on the camel's back, and the whole India rose in a protest against the British rule. Next.